Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we will be showing you how you can use AI-Wordsmith to generate code languages. Ask AI-Wordsmith to create any code language and it will generate results for you. Let's dive in. On your account, click on AI Code. Provide the instructions that you want AI-Wordsmith to generate. Click on Generate Code. There is no character limits for the description. Give it some time and wait for the results. Once the result is generated, you can go through it and get a better understanding. For more clearer results, make sure to add better instructions. Now go ahead and write a name for your document. You can name it anything. This is only for your reference so you can easily find it in your workbook. You have the option to download it as a text file, copy the code or simply save it. To find the code you have saved, click on Documents to toggle the drop-down and select All Codes. From this page, you can also delete a file or edit it.